Am I feeling lucky? Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca. Today I am unboxing my Lucky Bag. And I feel like this is kind of a tradition. It's kind of funny because I have been ordering Beautylish Lucky Bags for several years. They always launch the day after Christmas, I think, at like 9 a.m. And they sell out quick. There's the regular version, there's an XL version, I think there's like a Wayne Goss version, a Jeffree Star version. So there's a number of types that have evolved since the early days of Lucky Bags, when it was just kind of like $75 basically buys you a mystery bag. So now it's, I think, $75 gets you $150 worth of value of product, or if you buy an XL bag, it's $150 and you get $300 value. I think that's the way it works. But anyway, I love these, and what I love is every time I post a Lucky Bag video, there are people who are very loyal to just watching Lucky Bag unboxings. So I just think that's really funny. So hello, if that's you. So I don't know what's in here. And years past, there's always been like something amazing in my Lucky Bag that kind of makes it feel worth it to me. And you know, maybe we'll get through this and we'll just kind of go, I don't know. So it's twofold, I think. There's the people who don't want a surprise and then they get products that they think are not useful to them. They spend all this money and then I get that. And then there's the folks who just love the idea of whatever makeup comes their way. And I'm kind of like both of that. And then I'm also like, I have so much in my collection that there might be some redundancies and I already have something, or this is sometimes a way for me to find something that is a luxury item that I would never have purchased on its own. And that is how I approach this. So I usually go in this very positive, and I always am a silver lining kind of gal. So I'm gonna make the most of this. Okay, here goes. Oh, they always have an artist or theme, and I'm gonna see, I don't know this here. Oh, this came from Philadelphia? Huh. I remember when they used to come from San Francisco. I think they've got, you know, variety. Oh my gosh, it's like a, this is so cute. This totally reminds me of, you know, like Howl's Moving Castle, and oh my gosh, I love this. Just a minute. You're one lucky duck. This bag is packed with a splash of joy, a sprinkle of luck, and a whole lot of beauty surprises. Enjoy the magic inside. Oh my God, it's a lucky duck. Look at this, it's so cute. It's a duck. I'm already excited. Oh my God. You guys. Oh, I think I have this. Okay, so there's a couple Good Molecules items in here. Niacinamide Brightening Toner. I'm sorry, I need my glasses. I hope they don't reflect too much. Dispense on a cotton pad, gently sweep. Niacin, I think I've had this. I think I've been very bad about using it. That's my problem. And it's got glycerin, niacinamide, arbutin, and licorice root extract. All of those are very good for my type of skin. So I should totally, I need to get going on that. All right, and then I see another Good Molecule, no. Okay, so this is the Holla Frog. I actually got one of these last year and it is so good. So this is the Daily Mineral Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 30. I will always take an SPF. All right, so two things. Aw, here we go. Cute little slip. This is a little scrunchie. I actually have a scrunchie like this. I believe I got it from Lily Silk or something because it's like a silk one, but this is very cute. I might put this in, I usually make sort of a giveaway box, and then my daughter, whether she wants it or maybe some of her girlfriends. Okay, I see something in here that, oh my God, I'm so excited. What? Oh yeah. Okay, so Augustina Spotter. I got a hair oil last year or the year before. This year I have the tinted lip SPF. I am so happy about this. I think it's got SPF in it. Is it just tinted balm? Please tell me. Oh, it's a collaboration with Sofia Coppola. If this isn't, maybe it's just lip balm. No SPF, my apologies. That is a lip balm. It's very red. Very cute. Okay, I see it. Sheer red balm, feels very silky. No, nothing I can detect. I see a Natasha Denona palette in here. The mini rose palette. Do I have this? That is nice. I love these Natasha Denona minis. And I mean, I love the full size ones, but give me a mini any day, right? Yeah, I will have fun with that. I love these. I love these. Okay. You guys. What? Orbe Run Through Detangling Shampoo. I used to buy Orbe like 10 years ago. We had a Neiman Marcus about 15 minutes from my house, and I would buy Orbe every now and then, like for my birthday. Oh, so a Run Through Detangling Shampoo. That is very interesting. This packaging is, oh my God. It smells nice. It smells a little more mild than I thought it would. Orbe Hairspray, Orbe Texturizer, they are phenomenal. They are. The shampoos and stuff I've used once ages ago, and they are good. I just, you know, I'm very fickle with my hair, with my shampoo. I really, you know, I really am. I used to be so loyal, and now I'm just, but I want to know a detangling shampoo. That sounds pretty, cool. Is this Wayne Goss? It's a Wayne Goss brush. I don't know which one this is. Is this his signature? It's F3. I think I've gotten a brush of, I think I got Lena Chu. I think I got something else last year. It's to get a luxury makeup brush. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay. What do we got here, Charlotte? Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand. Okay. Is this the blush or the highlighter? Beauty Light Wand High Blush in shade Pink Gasm. Oh, you know, sex cells. I'm just kidding. Okay, I don't have this. You know what this is fun to have for me? I'm gonna dupe it. Oh, that's pretty. That's really pretty. It's a really pretty color. Oh, nice. Yeah, that is nice. I think I have a miniature blush, the Pillow Talk one. They are a beautiful formula. This one, that, I like how that's very, it feels like it has a lot of, I don't know if I want to say, like it kind of like it would be very long wearing. It doesn't seem to disappear, which, you know, it doesn't look like it's so heavy, but it also seems to stay put. That's fun. Oh gosh. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, you guys. Last item. Save the best for last, why don't I? It's the Danessa Myricks Groundwork Blooming Palette. Oh, I have the original and I love it. I forget to reach for it. And I never thought to buy the blooming one. So if you're not familiar with Danessa Myricks, the Groundwork palettes, these are so pretty. They are a combination of creams and powders. And so every shade you see, this is, okay, it goes, yeah, the larger side, this is the cream. And then this is the powder. And they are, you can pop them out if you need. They are, and her products, whether, you know, whatever the pigments might be, can be used all over the face. So you can use these for blush, eyes, lips. It's, yeah, it's a ton of fun. I love this, and I love that there's this dark shade. You can fill in your brows. You can use them as liner. Yeah, that's what I've done with the original one, and I'm so excited. You guys, I think that was a good lucky bag. I am very happy. I am very happy. I felt like there was a good amount of fun and luxury and variation. So little skincare, little SPF, eye makeup, palette. I don't know. I mean, I could have maybe had a regular lipstick instead of that Augustina Spotter tint. But, oh, and my wing. No, I'm happy. I'm happy. This is fun. All right, there you go. I'm going to list each item in the description box. If you feel like you want to head to the Beautylish website, purchase them individually, or check out their website, great. If you want to go on their mailing list, I didn't get any notifications for lucky bags this year or 2024. I think they just kind of don't promote it anymore because the system always crashes, and you know, it's just one of those things. So, but I hope this was fun for you, and take care. I'll see you next time. Bye.